Okie dokie. Hello, folks. This is a faceless video. What is this? I don't remember what this is. I seen in a group somewhere what this was, one of the Facebook groups, and I totally don't remember what it was. I seriously have no clue. Didn't ask anybody. Didn't really know. So it looked familiar. I'm not sure what it was for. I'm guessing it's a tube patching thing, a vulcanizing thing. The problem with that is it doesn't go all the way down. So this is wedge shaped. So it's also rounded here. So what is that for? There's no writing on it that I can find. At least I didn't even look properly. So anyway, I bought that. That was one of the things I picked up. I also picked up these. These are getting pretty expensive these days. A draw knife. There's a name on here somewhere. And it's right there. Let's see if I can squeeze it out of here for you. Weatherby. Therery. Wtherby. No idea. Anybody know? It was cheap. It was rusting, and I have no idea how to take these apart. I would guess this gets ground off, put on there, and you peen this on there and it holds on. Draw knives are very useful. What are they used for me? I was fleshing hides with these a while back ago, so I own a few of them. And if you dull them out, not even too dull, but you could flesh a few good hides. I also picked up this for $10 at a yard sale. Everybody like CDs? Got me some Linkin Park, Burn the Priest. I don't know what that is. Ozzy Osbourne, Avenged Sevenfold, never listened to them. Journey, Steve Perry, Silverchair, Poison. Nothing but a good time. Oh yeah, Mama. What was that? Where is it? Your Mama Don't Dance. Guns N' Roses, Appetite for Destruction. There we go. Rage Against the Machine. Got another RATM album. That was $10 for this. Tesla. Oh yeah. Probably one-hit wonder band. Slayer. Of course. I really love to see them again. Skid Row, Def Leppard, Five Finger Death Punch, Slim Jim, Raw Meat, never listened to that. Nickelback, I don't really listen to. Papa Roach, I've listened to them a few times, but it wasn't by my thing. Motley Crue, The Saints of Los Angeles. When the hell did this come out? 2008. They probably should have quit while they're ahead. So, more Linkin Park. Judas Priest, Demolition. I don't remember this album. What year was this? 2001? Machine Man. Bush. I don't listen to Bush. Nothing against Bush. Got some more Bush. Iron Maiden, X Factor. Oh, that's cool. I like Iron Maiden. I've seen like 3 times. Oh, and the latest. What is this? The latest. What is that? What is the vinyl? The latest. Anybody here for the latest? Discover 13 bands. Play it their way. Here we... weird. Mod style. French Kick. Sunday Runners. I have no idea what this is. What band it is. Anybody ever heard of the latest? What it is? I don't know. Also, you can't go wrong with a Queen Greatest Hits 1 and 2. I didn't even check see if they're all in here. There's one there. They're all in there. Bet you nobody even listened to them. I bet they don't even got listening. Not even a scratch on them. Why do I buy CDs? Because while all these punks are buying digital crap, guess what? I got all the originals on CD. So when the grid goes down, I got music. I don't think the whole grid's going to go down anytime soon, but when they shut off your internet, I got entertainment. Plus, I was in the garage. I have a whole pile of CDs there. I also picked up these little punks. These are Westcotts right here. This is a, what is it? 6-inch number 76 Westcott. It's got some dot beaded into it. They work. They don't look, well, that's a lie. They don't look too abused. They look better than some I've seen. This is an 8-inch. This one just got crud all over it. This one looks old and cruddy, and oh yeah, this one could be a problem. The jaw moves, so yeah, that could be a problem with this one. Could be. Yeah. Okay. That doesn't come out. So anyway, this one's a dud wall hanger. I'll have to figure it out. It looks like it's just something's worn out. Yeah, the little knurly thing here is worn out. Maybe I'll have to become cool and try to make one. I don't know. See if I can or not. So anyway, that's a complete load of horse manure. I also picked up my favorite brand of stuff. Alloy steel. 8-inch forged. Pexto tools. This is in beautiful shape. And of course, it's in beautiful shape in it. You gotta force it. But it doesn't seem like it. This thing, honestly, seems like every time I buy one of these, you know, when you use it, you get the cheap ones, and you put it on there, and you have to readjust it every time. This one seems like it's rock solid. Like it's the little screw thing in there, in here is nice and tight. Like it's very, very. Like this one obviously is old and jiggly. The other one, wherever I put it, but this one is like really, really, really cool. So yeah, I might use this for a while in videos. I also bought something that most of you know that I enjoy. Ta-da! I bought another pair of 6-inch locking vice grips. And this one is vice grip. What's so good about an 11R vice grip? Well, this one is a vintage Peterson vice grip. See the little Peterson logo on there? If you can see it. Those are the Peterson vice grips. It was like $10. Still works. Does the job. And even though I have a lot of vice grips, or locking pliers, whatever you want to call them, I don't have a complete set of all the vintage Petersons. So I might see if I can knock out an entire selection of vintage Peterson ones, the originals, and I have a ton of Irwins. So that's my selection for today. And as I'm about to wrap it up, it starts pouring rain, and I'm going to have to go in the rain. So probably end this here and start another video. So thanks for watching. Toodles.